Okay, today on Mustang Fanatic Productions Mechanic Edition, we had an 05 Honda Civic, no start, and we ran our scan tool, our MaxiCam 808. We had misfires, cylinder 1, 3, and 4, multiple misfires. We changed 3 plugs and she cranks up now, so we're going to go back and get the 4th plug. Okay, we're back at the 2005 Honda CRV 4-cylinder, and we had a no start. We connect our MaxiCam 808 diagnostic tool. We had multiple misfires, cylinders 1, 3, and 4. So what we did, we took out the plugs. They were pretty shot. 2 of them were burnt. So just to make sure, we had got 2 spark plugs, and she cranked up. So now we got all the other spark plugs, and we're putting the spark plugs in her now, and she'll be good to go. And the codes should be cleared because I disconnected the battery when I was taking the coils loose, so the misfire code will be gone. But anyway, after we get back in here, we're going to run the engine. We're going to hook the MaxiCam back on. We're going to check the fuel trims on it and make sure everything is good to go. So when we get to that point, we'll get back to you. If I can get my spark plug out of here. There we go. Alrighty. Now we slide the coil back down in there, and we plug the coil back up until you hear it click. And she clicks, and it goes down into place, and we get the plug. And that's all to it for changing spark plugs. But I did test the ohms on the coils, and they were all 0.9, so they were in good shape. Okay, all the coils were cleared. Spark plugs are in. She cranks. She's good, she's happy. No misfire, and she's running. All right, wrap it up, Mustang Fanatic Productions.
Thank you.